god.
Sorry.
Bro, the light is red. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all seeing this shit? This is real shit. Bro, Demo, this is some real shit. Yeah, that's fun. Grandpa. What is that little goober out there? Who's that little goober? Demo, there's some real shit. Demo, there's real shit. There's real human shit.
Demo, come back to us. Demo, come back to us.
Join. Imaginary technique. I don't know how they make such, like, really good looking models. Demo, there's some real shit.
Man, that shit is wild. Hey, I'm only gonna play once because my mom's talking about me fucking. I gotta go to bed. In a minute.
I heard. Wait, Kevin. I heard Kevin. I heard Kevin. Kevin. Kevin, what are you doing here? Kevin. Copy. Kevin, open the door. Oh shit.
I guess we're escaping. Who wants to climb the door and cover? Me for real. Guy is snoozing right now.
Alright, bye.
Bye. It was fun playing with you. You're right. I don't even know what we're doing. You're right there?